Hi, this is our courtyard. So we're pretty excited about it, but it needs a lot of work, obviously. It's the middle of winter, so our garden is not here, but last year we grew sunflowers here and tomatoes and zinnias over here. That's our box that keeps our equipment, which we don't have. There they are, pretty much, our 2 shovels. We have some old bookcases out here and some tomato stakes. We have just a few boxes here. This is a pollinator area for bees and other wild insects, butterflies, ladybugs, things that we study in our science curriculum. We have a nice little path here that the students made. We used these from years ago before our building was renovated. We have a nice little sundial in here and some painted rocks, some milkweed for our butterflies. We've tried to dress it up a little bit, but it obviously needs a lot of constant maintenance in order to stay with us. We can see we're a little overgrown here. Here's some parsley. In these boxes we had some squash and some broccoli. Here's broccoli coming to sprout here. Some basil and oregano, parsley. But what we want to do is add some more boxes so that this whole area is kind of really useful, and that actually we're growing things that the students might be able to enjoy at lunchtime or during snack time or during a science class. So to grow enough squash that everybody in the school could have a little squash, or to grow enough basil and tomatoes that we could make a basil tomato salad right there in front of the students, right there, and let them see this is stuff we picked from our garden and that we can eat from our garden, that you don't need to have exquisite skills or be a farmer, but that anyone can have a garden and produce food from it. So that's a huge skill. Many of our students live in poverty. Many are new to the country. Many have no green area in their life but this courtyard at our school. And so to make the most of it, we really want to be able to teach the students how to use it and what basic skills they need. Water, sunlight, carbon dioxide, all of which is present here. And then a little bit of work to get rid of the weeds, to get rid of the insects, to show them that this place can be something that sustains them. So we're pretty excited. We've built these boxes ourselves. We got all the soil ourselves, but we need a lot more than this in order for every child to be able to eat something. So we're hoping that with a generous donation from Silver Diner and Metro Cafe Diner, we'd be able to make this even a more powerful place for our students. I think it can really be life-changing. I think it can be something that can show kids, wow, I remember when I was in elementary school and we grew food from our garden and ate it. Even if it's just a few times a year, even if it's just a little bit, each class gets a little bit, that would still be a really powerful lesson, and that they had a hand in it. They helped weed and soil and water, that they fed themselves to a certain degree. That's really, really exciting. So I hope you'll consider us. Lake Ann Elementary School, we're really excited about the opportunity to apply, and hopefully this has made real what is in our minds as a dream. Thank you.